Have you ever wondered how computers work? What is software? Software is a collection of instructions that enable the user to interact with computer hardware or perform tasks. A computer's hardware alone is incapable of performing any function without adequate software. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Windows, Linux, Google Chrome, Photoshop, ScanDisk, Notepad are some commonly known software. Software can be divided broadly into two categories: application software and system software. Application software is a program that directs the computer to carry out specific tasks. For example, software such as Microsoft Word or OpenOffice Writer are used to create documents. Moreover, multiple programs are often integrated to create a single application. A software such as OpenOffice Writer has hundreds of small integrated programs. Each of these programs performs a specific function. For designing or editing images, desktop publishing software such as GIMP, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Picasa, and several other options are available. Some software programs are designed to fulfill a specific requirement for specialized users. These are termed customized or tailored software programs. Tally or QuickBooks, for example, addresses a small businessman's accounting needs, but they can also be customized to benefit larger multinational companies. ERP software such as SAP or Oracle ERP take care of multiple functions such as accounting, invoicing, inventory, logistics, and many more for large enterprises. Software such as MS Windows, Linux, Android, Unix, and Ubuntu are known as operating systems as they enable the computer's hardware to work and run various operations. The operating system interacts with hardware and enables the use of keyboard, mouse, and printers. There is another type of system software known as utility software. It is used to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain the computer. Text editors like Notepad or WordPad are text editors that help in the creation of documents. Compression software such as WinZip and WinRAR compress the files and reduce the requirement for disk storage space. Disk fragmentation utility helps the user to organize used and free space on the hard disk and improves disk performance. Encryption or decryption utility is used to hide the data for secure transmission. It means that only authenticated users would be able to view the file by using the password. Has your computer ever been affected by virus? Probably yes. ScanDisk utility checks for problems on the hard disk such as bad sectors or viruses. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.